Today we're going to be making a small hat. Now if you have a bigger piece of paper you can make a bigger hat, but I don't, so I'm going to make a little hat for my stuffed bear, or really Luca's stuffed bear. First step, I'm going to be taking this normal size paper, which is nice, and I'm going to fold it in half. Line up the corners, push it. Now I'm going to rotate it so that the fold is on the top, so I can open it up like I'm reading. Okay, good. And now I'm gonna fold it in half again. And this time I'm gonna open it back up. And I just wanted to know where the middle was. Making sure that I still have it so I can type on my computer. Keeping it closed though. I'm gonna take this corner and line it up with that middle line I made. So this top is going to the middle. This top corner going down to the middle. Okay, now this bottom one, I'm actually only gonna grab one of them. There's two papers down here. I'm gonna grab the top one and fold it up. That's gonna keep my hat from falling apart. Hopefully. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna fold this side up to make it symmetrical. And then you can see I've got a little hat here. So that Teddy can have a little hat. Cute. Now you could also add other details like we did before for hats. I've got a feather from one of my chickens I could put in there. You could add color onto this, you could decorate it and make it your own. Maybe I'll add a little bit. I'm gonna make this striped. So you can make a hat. Now, if you know origami, you know this is also the first step to making a boat. So when we're learning about boats again, we could, this is how you do it. So this hat is a good thing to kind of memorize how to make. All right, your turn. Good luck on your hats today.